National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the District of Columbia, Howard County in central Maryland, Montgomery County in central Maryland, southeastern Frederick County in north central Maryland, southwestern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, central Prince George's County in central Maryland, south central Carroll County in north central Maryland, northwestern Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, north central Charles County in southern Maryland, southeastern Loudoun County in northern Virginia, northern Stafford County in northern Virginia, the city of Falls Church in northern Virginia, Fairfax County in northern Virginia, east central Fauquier County in northern Virginia, the city of Manassas Park in northern Virginia, Prince William County in northern Virginia, the city of Manassas in northern Virginia, the city of Fairfax in northern Virginia, Arlington County in northern Virginia, the city of Alexandria in northern Virginia, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:32 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Green Valley to near Bealton, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, National Weather Service observation. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Arlington, Alexandria, Columbia, Germantown, Centerville, Waldorf, Dale City, Rockville, Bethesda, Gaithersburg, Reston, Annandale, Clinton, Olney, Pikesville, Springfield, College Park, South Riding, Fort Washington, and Herndon. For your move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Damaging winds and